The new sound of quality. All extreme torque sprayers are up to 10 times quieter than previous sprayers in their class. Behind me, I have a sound test demo. To my right, the UltraMax 2 695 Standard, and to my left, the Ultra 695 XT Pro Contractor. Both units at max pressure and connected to our soundproof box behind me to minimize the noise of spraying. Let's hear both these units spray at max pressure. First, the UltraMax 2. This is the industry standard noise for an airless product. Contractors are used to it, and they prefer our product over the competition's. But Graco has something better. This is the XT. Let's hear it. You'll notice right away it is significantly quieter, up to 10 times quieter. 90% lower running speeds at the motor and a reduced gear train create the quietest sprayer ever built. That's the new sound of quality.